Welcome to TORQX now. The best heavy cutting compound is probably one of the most essential tools in any car detailing arsenal, designed to tackle the toughest paint imperfections with aggressive yet controlled abrasion. This powerful formula works by leveling out deep scratches, oxidation, and stubborn swirl marks that lighter polishes simply can't touch, restoring a smooth, uniform surface ready for the next stages of paint correction. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast looking to bring your vehicle's paintwork back to life, understanding the capabilities and application of a high-quality heavy cutting compound is crucial for achieving that showroom shine and protecting your investment against the elements. Number 5. Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Introducing the ultimate solution for restoring your vehicle's paint. This innovative formula tackles scratches, swirls, and oxidation with ease. Achieve a smooth, high-gloss finish in just one step. It leaves your paint looking clearer and more vibrant than ever before. Whether you have clear coat, single stage, or ceramic finishes, this product is safe to use. It works effectively by hand or with a machine polisher. This formula is silicone-free and safe for repainting and touch-up work. It's perfect for prepping surfaces before applying coatings or protection. Cut fast and finish fine in a single step, saving you valuable time. Get professional-level results without the hassle. Ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, and more. It's the perfect detailing solution for enthusiasts and professionals alike. What we like. This product is a game-changer for paint correction. It combines the power of a compound with the finishing of a polish in a single step. If you are looking for a fast and effective way to remove scratches and swirls while restoring shine, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want professional results with less effort. What people say. This compound is excellent for removing deep scratches and oxidation. It cuts through imperfections quickly, leaving a smooth surface. The product is easy to work with and provides a professional finish. Number 4. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish Restorer. Tired of dull, tarnished metal? This powerful polish cuts through oxidation and stains, revealing a smooth, reflective surface like never before. It doesn't just clean, it protects. A durable sealant is applied, helping to resist future oxidation and keep your metal looking its best. From your car's chrome trim and exhaust tips to motorcycle parts and boat railings, this versatile cleaner works wonders on various metal surfaces. Achieving a high-gloss shine is simple. Just apply with a microfiber or foam applicator, work it in, and buff for a mirror-like finish. Its uses extend beyond vehicles. Restore household fixtures, kitchen hardware, and decorative metal items to a like-new shine with ease. This restorer and protectant is safe for a wide range of metal types, including aluminum, stainless steel, and chrome, bringing back their original brilliance. What we like. For those seeking a brilliant shine on metal surfaces, this is your go-to. It effectively tackles tarnish and oxidation, leaving a smooth, reflective finish. If you have chrome, aluminum, or stainless steel parts on your vehicle that need restoring and protecting, this product will deliver exceptional results. What people say. This compound is very effective at removing deep scratches and oxidation. It cuts through imperfections quickly, leaving a smooth surface ready for polishing. The heavy cutting action makes it ideal for restoring heavily weathered paintwork. Number 3. Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. Introducing the TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, your all-in-one solution for vehicle detailing. This comprehensive 9-piece set has everything you need to restore gloss and remove imperfections. Experience smooth, controlled polishing with its powerful motor and random orbital throw. It's safe for all your vehicle's surfaces, from paint to headlights. Effortlessly eliminate scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Achieve a showroom-quality finish with enhanced depth and gloss. Designed for comfort and ease of use, it's perfect for beginners. Yet, it delivers professional-grade results for seasoned detailers. This kit provides all the essential pads, polishes, and compounds you need. Tackle every step of the detailing process without purchasing extra products. Achieve professional-grade correction for your vehicle's paint and clear coat. Help every car achieve a deep, glossy finish with precision control. What we like. This kit is perfect for anyone wanting to dive into paint correction. It includes everything you need to get started, from the polisher to the compounds. If you are a beginner looking for a user-friendly yet powerful tool to remove imperfections and achieve a showroom finish, this comprehensive set is an excellent choice. What people say. This heavy cutting compound effectively removes oxidation and scratches, restoring the paint's shine. The compound has a good consistency, making it easy to spread and work with, even on larger surfaces. It works well with both machine and hand application, providing a smooth finish without excessive dust. Number 2. Chemical Guy's V-Line Car Polish and Compound Kit. Introducing the V-Line Kit, your all-in-one solution for paint correction. This comprehensive system is designed to restore your vehicle's finish to a flawless, high-gloss shine. Tackle everything from deep scratches and heavy oxidation to light swirls and imperfections. This kit provides the right products for every stage of paint refinement. Whether you have clear coat, single stage, or ceramic coated finishes, this system is safe to use. It's also compatible with various application methods, including machine and hand polishing. Achieve body shop quality results right in your own garage. This kit is perfect for both everyday vehicles and show cars, making professional detailing accessible to everyone. The clearly labeled bottles make the correction process straightforward. You can easily select the correct product for each step, ensuring a smooth and effective detailing experience. This polishing compound is not just for cars. It's also ideal for trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, working perfectly on both OEM and custom paintwork. What we like. This system offers a comprehensive solution for all paint correction needs. It guides you through a multi-step process to tackle everything from deep scratches to light swirls. If you are serious about achieving a flawless, high-gloss finish on your vehicle and want a structured approach to paint correction, this kit is designed for you. What people say. This compound is a heavy-duty cutting compound that effectively removes oxidation and scratches. It works quickly to restore the shine and clarity of dull or faded paint. The compound is easy to apply and buff off, leaving a smooth finish. Number 1. Chemical Guy's Heavy-Duty Clay Bar Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for a flawless car finish. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle even the toughest contaminants. Our heavy-duty clay bar, paired with a premium synthetic lubricant, effectively lifts away embedded dirt, brake dust, and overspray. Achieve a perfectly smooth surface with ease. Restore your vehicle's surface to a pristine, smooth condition. This prepares your paintwork for waxes, sealants, and coatings, ensuring longer-lasting protection and a brilliant shine. You can trust this detailing clay kit to be safe on your car's paint, glass, and clear coat. When used with the included lubricant, it ensures a scratch-free experience. Elevate your detailing game and achieve that coveted showroom quality finish. It eliminates rough textures and restores incredible paint clarity. This convenient kit includes everything you need, the powerful clay bar and the essential synthetic lubricant. It's your all-in-one solution for effective cleaning and debris removal. What we like. This kit is essential for preparing your paintwork for the next level of care. It effectively removes bonded contaminants that washing alone can't touch, leaving a glass-smooth surface. If you want to ensure your waxes, sealants, or coatings adhere properly and last longer, this clay bar kit is a must-have for achieving that perfect foundation. What people say. This compound works great for removing oxidation and scratches. It cuts through imperfections quickly and leaves a smooth finish. Easy to use and provides excellent results for paint correction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.